Good morning, future scientists! Today, we're making something amazing!
Wow, a science experiment.
I hope it's not too messy. Is it going to explode?
Max, be careful.
Today, we create slime!
Ooh, blue slime.
Careful measurements are key.
I'll be very precise, Professor.
This contains our special activator.
Ooh, what's inside? First, pour the blue liquid into your mixing bowl. Carefully, now.
Okay, blue liquid first.
Perfect!
Now for the clear liquid. Just the right amount.
My turn! Time for the activator! Whoosh! All in!
Now stir gently, everyone.
Oops, was that too much?
It's getting thicker!
Mine looks like a cloud.
Stir, stir, stir! Almost ready to play! Just about right, everyone. Mine is extra gooey.
Look at my beautiful blue!
Mine's so soft.
Excellent work, everyone. Now for the grand finale. Leo, will you add the sparkle?
Sparkle? Yes!
Mia, the color boost, please.
Of course, Professor.
And Max, the oomph factor.
Oomph, my specialty.
Bring your slime to the main mixing beaker.
Ready to combine. Let's make a giant super slime. Here comes the blue. And the gentle purple. Green Monstay Slime G.O.
Magnificent. Now for the final ingredients.
It's so colorful. Here's the sparkle. And the color boost.
Time for the oomph. Oomph. Ah, the chemical reaction is robust.
It's glowing.
Various, very curious.
Is it supposed to glow that much? I don't think so, Leo. Can I poke it?
Stop! Back away, everyone! It's overreacting!
Uh-oh. What's happening?
My glass... Whoa!
So cool! My... pigtails!
Best experiment ever.
It's everywhere! Look, I'm a slime monster!
Right. Time for damage control. Operation Cleanup is a go. Every sponge counts. This stuff is sticky.
It's just smearing!
Look, it stretches. This is going to take a while. What do we do, Professor?
It's just too much slime.
Every problem has a scientific solution. Aha! Just the thing. The Slime Sucker 5000.
A vacuum cleaner? For slime?
Oh, man.
Observe, young scientists. Commencing slime sucking. Much better.
It's working! The Slime Sucker 5000 is amazing!
Over here, Professor. More slime! And that, my friends, is how you deal with an overly enthusiastic experiment.
Hooray for science!
And for the Slime Sucker!
No slime left behind.
It's like a giant green brick.
Can we play with it?
Perhaps for next time, Max. Yay! Hey! Today, we learned about reactions and creative problem solving.
Time to go home.
Can we make more slime tomorrow?
Perhaps a slightly smaller experiment next time, Max.
Oh, man. What a day for science.